Welcome back, Buy Smart fans. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with a head-to-head battle between two robotic cleaning titans, the Roborock Q7 Max and the Loorow 3-in-1. Which one will suck more in a good way? Stick around to find out. The Roborock Q7 Max boasts a suction power of 4,200 pascals, which reviewers say is more than enough to handle any mess. On the other hand, the Loorow 3-in-1 flexes with a slightly more powerful 4,500 pascals suction. Reviewers highlight its superior ability to lift dirt and debris from various surfaces. Advantage: Loorow. Cleaning is more than just sucking up dirt. The Roborock Q7 Max can vacuum and mop simultaneously with 30 water flow levels, earning praise from reviewers for its efficiency and reliability. Meanwhile, the Loorow 3-in-1 offers 6 cleaning modes and can sweep, vacuum, and mop. Reviewers love its versatility, calling it the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. More modes, more fun. Loorow takes this round too. Both contenders come with PreciSense LiDAR navigation, creating accurate maps of your home. However, the Roborock Q7 Max lets you view these maps in 3D, which reviewers find extremely useful for detailed cleaning. Roborock wins this one because who doesn't love a good 3D map? The Roborock Q7 Max combines a 470 ml Dustbin and a 350 ml water tank, which reviewers appreciate for its balance of capacity and compactness. On the other hand, Loorow's self-emptying dock can hold up to 60 days of dirt, making it incredibly convenient. Reviewers rave about this feature, noting how it minimizes maintenance. Loorow wins for sheer convenience. Roborock Q7 Max boasts an impressive 180 minutes on a single charge, which reviewers love for its endurance. The Loorow 3-in-1 offers 120 minutes of runtime, still respectable, but not as long-lasting. Reviewers note that while Loorow is efficient, it doesn't quite match Roborock's marathon-like stamina. Roborock takes the cake here. Both of these bad boys are priced at $599. Reviewers agree that they offer great value for their features, so no matter which one you pick, your wallet will feel the same level of pain. Overall, reviewers are highly satisfied with both models. The Roborock Q7 Max is praised for its innovative features, long battery life, and reliable performance, while the Loorow 3-in-1 is lauded for its strong suction power, versatility, and convenience. Both have their minor drawbacks, but they are highly recommended for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. So who's the winner? It's a tough call. If you prefer a vacuum that can handle more cleaning modes and comes with a convenient, self-emptying dock, the Loorow 3-in-1 is your go-to. But if you're looking for longer battery life, 3D mapping, and a seamless vacuum mop combo, the Roborock Q7 Max is your best bet. What do you think? Which vacuum would you put your trust in to clean up your messes? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more product battles. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.